Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy out today in Woodstock looking at some repairs for a customer who's going to be listing this house for sale. You know, and it's a vinyl sided house, and people always buy these houses thinking they're maintenance free, and they're not. And so when they installed this brick mold here, they never caulked anything at the edges with the vinyl cap, and then they didn't back prime and seal or caulk anything else. So the only thing they painted is what you can see. So one face of that brick molding was painted. So the bottom piece needs to be replaced here all the way, and there's a little bit of rot on the right side. The rule of thumb for us when we're replacing this stuff is we back prime and seal it on all edges so it won't rot again, and he'll get a 3-year fully transferable warranty when he sells it to somebody else. If he stayed in the house, he'd have a lifetime warranty on the repairs. The peeling paint, we're just touching up. We're not going to fix everything perfect on this house. We just want to get rid of the really obvious rot so it doesn't deter a buyer. So we'll replace this bottom one right here, and there's a little bit of rot in the left and right sides, and we'll piece that in. On the garage right here, that left corner of the brick mold, we'll just repair a foot of that right there. So we're just going for the obvious repair. So if there's anything like hidden away, we'll let that come up on an inspection report. Buyers get scared when they see rotted wood. They see stuff like this master bathroom window right here. This scares them and they run. And so we'll replace the bottom piece here, 1 foot piece in there. Everything is angle cut so it won't rot again, it won't trap water. This right piece right here on the small bath, and then we'll just paint the brick mold real quick on either side. We'll catch the paint on this window right here and then tuck his vinyl siding. We had some real heavy winds, 60-mile-an-hour gusts, and that's another reason I don't like vinyl siding. So we'll tuck that back in for him. He might have a little bit of rot on the back of the house that I can't get to right now. We can deal with that when we come out. Pretty unique company. It's me, my brother, and 30 guys have been doing this stuff for over 25 years now in Atlanta. It's kind of hard to imagine, but that's the truth of it. This foyer window up here, you'll see this bottom piece needs to be replaced. So we'll replace that one. And he's got a little bit of rot on this left side, both of these windows. And you'll see this left corner. So the guys will come in here because there isn't rot in both corners of the bottom. We'll only repair in right here. So we make an angle cut here, angle cut here. So it's 2 repairs, but it's cheaper than replacing the whole sticks. And then we'll just caulk it and run a nice coat of paint around it so it'll look good. Same thing here on this corner. When we see the wrinkling like that, you know it's rotted through. And that's what the inspectors are looking for. So we'll fix these. He may have some in the back that we can't get to today. We'll just add that to the work order once we start for him. But we've been doing this a long time. Be patient with us. We're running all over the place. We're so busy, 3 or 4 days a week. I've got a driver. We're running around to do these quotes. You can usually see me, this is my truck here by myself. But we don't sub this stuff out. These are our guys. A lot of our guys have been with us for 20 years, some of them. You know, it's one of those companies where honestly out of 30 guys, we got 10 phenomenal guys led by my brother. And then we've got 10 that are decent. And we got 10 that honestly should have been fired a week ago. And we can't. So we fire 1 or 2 a week. And we just make up for their knuckleheadedness. But anyway, we do a little bit of everything except for swimming pools and air conditioning. You can call us for just about anything like this customer's getting ready to do. Get this house here listed for sale. And again, you can reach us at 770-265-9017 to get to me personally, or 770-912-2829 to get to the office. Thanks so much. See you at the next house. Bye for now.